this video we are going to see how to find the particular integral if the given non-homogeneous part of the function is cosine or sine function. Okay, if r of x equal to cosine some beta x or sine beta x, those case only we are going to consider in this video. Okay, now first case, if cos beta x or sine beta x is not in the set of fundamental solution, your yp, that is your guess for the particular integral is yp is some c1 times cos beta x plus c2 times sine beta x. Okay, if cos beta x or sine beta x is in the set of fundamental solutions, your yp is x times c1 cos beta x plus c2 times sine beta x. Okay, these two cases only in this case. Okay, if your r of x is some constant times cos beta x or constant times sine beta x, means your yp you choose in this fashion only. Okay, now we see one example. y double prime plus 9 times y equal to cos 2x. This is my given equation. I am going to solve using the method of undetermined coefficient. Now, my first case, as usual, the corresponding homogeneous equation is m square plus 9 equal to 0. So, corresponding homogeneous equation is y double prime plus 9y equal to 0. So then I named as this is the equation number 1. The characteristic equation of 1 is plus equal to 0. This implies m equal to plus or minus 3i. Then the fundamental solution is solutions are y1 is cos 3x, y2 is sin 3x. Then the complementary function is c equal to a times cos 3x plus b times sin 3x. Now my next aim is I want to find the particular integral, but right hand side is they given as cos 2x, but in the fundamental solution I have the only cos 3x only. So then what is the choice of my yp is yp equal to c1 times cos 2x c2 times sin 2x. This is my guess. Then yp prime is minus 2 times c1 sin 2x plus c2 times 2 times c2 cos 2x. yp double prime is minus 4 times c1 cos 2x minus 4 times c2 sin 2x. Now applying the given equation. So what is my equation is? My equation is y double prime plus 9y equal to cos 2x. This is my given equation. My aim is I want to find the particular integral. So now I apply in this equation, get minus 4 times c1 cos 2x plus c2 times sin 2x plus 9 times c1 times cos 2x plus c2 times sin 2x equal to cos 2x. Now I want to do the coefficients. Only c1 only will be there. c2 is become 0. 5 times c1 equal to 1. This implies c1 equal to 1 over 5. c2 is, because I am simply comparing the coefficient of cos 2x and sin 2x. Then what is my yp? yp is nothing but 1 over 5 cos 2x. Then the general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. The yc is a times cos 3x plus b times sin 3x plus 1 over 5 times cos 2x. This is your general solution of the given differential equation. Now we see another example. It is not especially another example because I want to see the two cases. So I simply modifying the previous case, y double prime minus 9y equal to, I assume that r of x is cos 3x. So the previous part I already mentioned. The fundamental solution is y1 equal to cos 3x, y2 is sin 3x, correct? Then your yc is a times cos 3x plus b times sin 3x. My particular integral yp is, so previous case I take it c0 c1 times cos 3x plus c2 times sin 3x, but here the cos 3x is part of your fundamental solution, so your yp must be x times c1 times cos 3x plus c2 times sin 3x. So my equation I want to apply, so I want to derivative what is the yp prime. So yp prime means you product rule I will apply to take the derivative. I take c1 times cos 3x plus c2 times sin 3x plus I want to take the derivative, I take it as minus 3 times c1 times sin 3x plus 3 times c2 times x cos 3x. If I want to again I want to take the derivative, yp double prime minus 3 times c1 cos sin 3x then I want to take here also u, then minus 3 times c1 sin 3x, then minus 3 times c1 x, then I will get the 9 here cos 3x. Similarly here I will get it as minus plus 3 times c2 cos 3x minus 9 times c2 times x sin 3x. This is my yp double prime. Now I am going to add yp double prime. So these coefficients 9 times and I went to multiply it. So this term and this term automatically will cancel out. So remaining term only will be there. That is minus 6 times c1 sin 3x plus 6 times c2 cos 3x equal to cos 3x. So same way I have a coefficient, then it becomes c1 equal to 0, c2 equal to 1 over 6. So your particular integral is equal to 1 over 6 times sin 3x. Then the general solution is y equal to yc, that is a times cos 3x plus b times sin 3x, sorry, x I means, plus 1 over 6 times x times sin 3x. This is our general solution of the given differential equation. I hope you will understand this concept very well. Thank you for watching this video.